Hi buddies, welcome back, and today I want to show you how you can customize the frames per second on your Galaxy Tab S9 FE. And for that you want to go to your settings, and then you want to go to display and motions smoothness, and you can't really change the refresh rate, but you can set it either to adaptive, so get smoother animations and scrolling by automatically adjusting your screen refresh rate up to 90, or to standard, so get a longer battery life by automatically adjusting your screen refresh rate up to 60. So you can choose here and you can see the difference here. So that is the adaptive refresh rate, and then this is the standard one. We will set it to standard now, and then we scroll up and down here, and then we can set it to adaptive and scroll up and down again, but I don't really think that you can see much of a difference. So you can set it to standard to have a longer battery life, or set it to adaptive, and then your tablet kind of decides for you what refresh rate it needs and uses. If you make your settings here, you can just go back and then, use your tablet as normal. So that's just really quick and easy how you can customize the frames per second on your Galaxy Tab S9 FE. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.